Hello everyone. We have already learned about factors. Today we will learn how to find HCF, highest common factors. As you all know, there are many ways to find the HCF. Today we are going to learn how to find HCF by listing the factors. So let's start. Highest common factor, HCF. Let us consider the number 22 and 30. These two numbers we are taking and we will find the HCF of these two numbers. Step 1. We will find the factors of 22. First, we are going to find the factors of 22. So, 1 is the factor of 22 and the number itself. So, 1 and 22 are the factors of 22. 2 and 11. These are also the factors of 22. So now we will find the factors of 30. So 1 is a factor of 30, 2 is a factor of 30, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. These all are the factors of 30. So now the next step is we need to find the common factors of 22 and 30. So we can do like this. So we will find the common factors of 22 and 30. We can see 1 is a common factor. Yes, it is present in both the cases. 2 is common in both the cases. Yes, and nothing else. So only there are two factors which are common in 22 and 30. These are 1 and 2. So we will write the common factor here, 1 and 2. Only these two are the common factors between 22 and 30. So now we need to find the HCF. HCF means highest common factors. Among these common factor, which is the highest? 2. So we can say HCF is 2. So 2 is the HCF of 22 and 30. So we will revise the steps once again. First, we will find the factors of one number and then we will find the factors of other number. The next step is we will find the common factors of both the numbers. Okay, we will write the common factors and then whichever is the greatest factor, that is the HCF of these numbers. So let's move further. One more example we will do it. And now we take the numbers 18 and 24. And we will find the HCF of these two numbers. The step 1 is, first we will find the factors of 18. So the factors of 18 are 1 and the number itself, 2 into 9, 2 and 9 are the factors of 18, 3 and 6 are the factors of 18, yes, and these all are the factors of 18. So we will write the factors here, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. These all are the factors of 18. Now the next step is we will find the factors of 24. So now we will find the factors of 24. So start doing 24. Now 1 and the number itself, 2 and 12 are the factors of 24. 3 and 8 are the factors of 24. 4 and 6 are the factors of 24. Yes. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These all are the common factors. These all are the factors of 24. Now the next step is we will find the common factors. So let's see it. 1 is the common factor. Yes, 1 is present in both the cases. 2 is present in both the numbers. Yes, 3 is present in both the numbers. Yes, and 6. 6 is present in both the numbers. So these are the common factors: 1, 2, 3, and 6. Now, which is the highest common factor? That is 6. So the HCF of 18 and 24 is 6. So, because this is the highest factor among all, so HCF is equal to 6. So this way we can find the common factors, and then whatever is the greatest factor is the HCF. Now we can try with other numbers. Thanks for watching, and like is always appreciated. Thank you. See you in the next video.